How to add effects to titles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page. Then, open the effects library on the top left and go to titles. From there, drag and drop text plus onto your timeline where you want the title to appear. Next, click on the text plus clip in the timeline and open the inspector on the top right. In the text tab, type your title and adjust the font, size, tracking and color as you like. Text Plus gives you more control and advanced animation options than the regular text title. Now to add effects, go to the Open Effects section in the Effects library, choose an effect like Glow, Shake or Drop Shadow and drag it directly onto the Text Plus clip. Once applied, go back to the inspector and click on the Open Effects tab. Here, you can adjust the settings of the effect such as intensity, softness and color to make your title stand out. If you want more dynamic animations, you can use the Settings tab in the inspector to give them parameters like position, size and rotation. Just click the diamond icon beside any setting, move the playhead and adjust the value to create smooth transitions or movements. And that's it. Now you know how to add effects to titles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.